Hello guys, today we are going to be learning how to make a Pong game in Scratch. Now this is a very easy tutorial and you'll be able to learn this easy peasy. Now let's start. Now in the link of the description of the video there will be two links. One will be the actual game and then will be the supplies, and the supplies there will be all the sprites you need, the costumes if you want the same costumes, or if you want to make your own costumes for the Pong, feel free to do that. Now if you do want to use these sprites, all you have to do is click this and backpack them. Backpack all the sprites, and then we're good to go. And then we're going to the Pong actual game. Then we'll backpack the sprites. Oh, I accidentally did 2 plays. I'm gonna delete that one. This one would be next. And this one. So we have all our sprites, but to make sure they show, we need to make sure the background's black. So we'll simply just choose the color to be black. Exit the outline. Just do that. Then to clean up, you can click Convert to Bitmap. And boom. And then also this sprite is this sprite with the little music loop, if you want to use that too. Now let's get into the coding. First of all, we want the ball and blocker, which is this, to hide. In order to do that, I'm going to click the events. When green flag clicked, hide. Same with this, you can just drag it over here, or you can actually go manually into here, grab this, then this. Now, you can also hear the music's playing too whenever you drag it in. It will automatically play it for you whenever you drag that sprite in. Now we have this. Now, to spice up the game a little bit, we'll add a little animation to it. But first of all, we need to have when green flag clicks show, because when the game starts, we don't want these to show anymore. So, let me find that little show. Okay. So you have 2 show sprites. Now, we want them to go in their selected positions. Now, if you do choose to backpack these sprites, the exact position should already be over here. But if it's not, you can just look at this and copy it, or come with your own position. Drag it over. Same with the ball sprite and the blocker. Now we have that all sorted out. Now we can finally add the animation. I'm going to do a simple animation where the Pong thing turns a little bit. Now let's do that. And see how it turns out. Now we'll be going to the emotions, grab turn this way 1 degree, then this way 1 degree. Then we'll go into control, select the forever loop, and repeat loop 2 times. And we'll grab this 3 times, and we'll add the timing. Now you put repeat 10 there, repeat 10 there. Now what we're going to want to do is turn 1 degree, slide them in there, put 0.1 like that, then 0.1, then 0.1 in the middle as well. Not all. 0.1 at the end. Now let's see how this turns out. Oh. Add this to, make sure you add this to make sure it starts in the right position. Like that. Now, we're going to do is we're going to add this same stuff into the play sprite. Drag it over. But this time, we're going to flip these two. And make sure I just point in direction 90 as well. Let's see how that looks. Make that big, you can see it even better. I think that's good for a starter. Now when you click the green flag, you see that they start in the right position. Now what we'll do is when the play sprite is clicked, we are going to want to first of all hide, and now we're going to use broadcast. Broadcast, new message, start game. Drag this over. Now we're going to here. When I receive start game, going to hide. Now for the ball and blocker sprite, we're gonna put when I receive start game, show. Same with the blocker sprite. Now we should have a simple thing when make it big. The play sprite is put, or when the play sprite is clicked, it should these two things should disappear, and then the other two should appear. Let's see if it works. Now you could see that when I hit the flag, it was tricky for me to click it. It took some time. So what we're gonna do is going to go into play sprite, add this cool trick, make it black, add a black square, then make sure you hit the back button. Then center it. Now it should work. Let's test it. See, you can click it more easier. It adds a more click area to where now the game will start. Now we're going to add some simple motion to the ball. Now we see start game forever. Glide 1 second to a random position. Let's see how it works. That kind of works, but I don't think I like that too much. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to make a new sprite. This you can make on your own, not really that hard. We're just gonna, actually, thinking about it, we don't even need to put anything there. I'm just gonna say, when I receive start game, then this, it will, hold on, let me see. Oops, I made a little mistake. You know what? Delete this. We don't need that anymore. Okay, let's go to the ball sprite. Let's make sure it points in that direction so it's the right correction. Okay, so obviously it didn't work too much. Let's try it this way. So before it will glide in a position, we're going to have if touching edge we don't even need that. Let's put that right there. Now it should work. Let's see if it works. Make it big. That's why it's not working. Got it. Okay. Oopsie. works decently. But the only problem is that it's rotating. Now to change that, what we want to do is set rotation style, don't rotate. Now let's see if that works. Perfect. Now the only problem is that whenever it hits these spaces, it will randomly bounce because after 1 second, it will randomly go to another position. Now in our next tutorial, that's when we'll cover that, how to fix the ball sprite. Peace out and goodbye. I hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for part 2 of this tutorial.